Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you stuck in a rut and you just can't seem to book sessions? Well, we're here to share one big secret on how you can grow your business quickly.
And stick around until the end because we have something special just for you.
By the end of this video today, you will feel a little bit more confident that your business is going to start growing and you're going to continue on booking more and more every week.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos. And every Monday morning, we come out with a new video for you.
So what is the number one reason or number one thing that you can do to start growing your photography business? It's going to seem weird, but it's so important and it was so valuable at the start of our journey. And it is to do free sessions. But why on earth would you do free sessions? That's not doing you any good. Well, let's take a look at what we mean and why this is so important when you're first starting out and trying to book more and more.
So doing free sessions is going to give you a chance to get your ideal client because you can reach out to people that you want to photograph, that you know will be the style you want, the type of people you want, all of that. You have the opportunity to reach out to those people and work with those people by doing free sessions for them, delivering them beautiful images, but then getting beautiful images for yourself as well.
And remember, you don't have to work with a certain type or style of person or couples or whatever it might be. This is your business, so you can be a little bit selfish on who you want to work with. For example, we absolutely love working with people who are laid back, like to have fun, and like to laugh. And that is our ideal client. That's who we look for. Free sessions are also going to give you lots of content to look busy. Now, it is okay to post content that is free. It is important to post that content. It's giving you more content. You can post the day after you edit. You can post that same session 4 or 5 days later, 4 or 5 weeks later. It's going to give you that content to post and it's going to make you look busy as a photographer, which is also going to start to catch people's attention. And when it catches people's attention and they see that you're busy, they're going to go now, oh, I want in on that. I want to be in on that. How can I get my session booked with them or her or him?
Another reason that this is going to be able to help you grow your business doing these free sessions is that your work will get reshared. So you will post your work to social media or you're going to deliver the images to your clients that you did these free sessions for. They're going to share on their social media, their Facebook, their Instagram, and hopefully they're going to tag you. Make sure to ask them to tag you. And that's going to get your work out there even more, which is great and is going to, again, attract more people to your business.
So think about somebody who might be an ideal client to you, whether it's a senior or a couple or a family, and they are sharing your work out. Think of how many friends and family they have on their social media accounts that are now curious or now commenting, oh, super cute picture. And that's going to get you in front of that many more people. Something else you can do with people or clients that you do free sessions of is you can flat out, and we do this, ask for reviews. So after the session and you deliver the photos or the images to your clients that you did the free session for, ask them to kindly write a review, whether it be a Google review, maybe just a testimonial in general, or maybe it's a Facebook review or something else that you can then use as a way to help grow your business. When people see that your business has been reviewed, or if you are able to share a testimonial that a client had about the experience with you or the images, that's going to get people interested and going to help you book more faster.
Comment below, not necessarily what your ideal client is right now, because maybe you don't even know, but comment below and let us know what is your favorite thing to photograph.
Okay, so you did or you're doing free sessions. Well, what is going on? Like, when can you start making the shift? Well, here's the deal. what happens next? Bookings are going to start happening, and bookings with your ideal clients. It's not important necessarily to just get a ton of bookings, but it's really important to hopefully get bookings with your ideal client so then you can continue to book more and more of your ideal client.
Okay, so you might be thinking, but I want to make money eventually. And the answer to that is you will make money eventually. You are going to make that money and you are going to start booking sessions. But you first need to start by doing those free sessions and making yourself look busy and getting that practice in more than anything, and working with those ideal clients of yours. And then you are going to see that bookings are going to increase.
And I guess the next question that you probably are wondering is, well, then when do I start charging? And that is kind of a loaded question because it really is up to you. We just want you to know that you are worthy to start charging and know that. But also a really good time to start charging is when you start to have people that you maybe don't know, people that are strangers to you, they're starting to reach out and say, hey, I saw you did so-and-so session. Could I book a session? What are your prices? As soon as people really start asking those questions and reaching out to you, I think that's a really good time to start charging for your sessions.
Okay, so we hope that was helpful. And now if you are someone that's looking into starting to charge for your sessions, but you're unsure, what do I charge? How many sessions do I want to do? All of that. We do have a pricing and workflow course where we dive deep into setting up your pricing and packages for your business and everything workflow. And you can find more about that in the description below. But right now, for you, for free, we have a download, a business checklist for when you're first starting your photography business, things that you should do and what we think are the most important things to do. So it's a checklist for you. So take a look at that in the description below.
And if this video was helpful today, make sure to like it, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at e2photography. And we will see you next week.